My name's Eric with NPTI. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some passive stretching with my client Odell. Odell, my name's Eric. I'll be your trainer today.
All right.
Okay. Is it okay if I touch you?
Yes.
Good. What I'd like you to do is flatten out your left leg. Let me have your right leg. All right. Make sure you keep breathing. You're going to feel it in your right hamstring. Okay. I'm going to take you to a level of between 1 and 10 to a 6. Let me know when you feel that. You're going to feel that stretch. Keep breathing. Good. Where are we at?
Right there.
Good. Hold that stretch and hold for about 8 to 10 seconds. Good. Relax. Bring that knee into your chest. And again, we want to take you to about a level 6. Good. How's that feel? Good. You notice I'm staying away from my client. I'm not in his personal space. Respecting his space. Using my body to stretch him. Good. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you keep breathing, please. Feel that left hamstring.
Yes. Right there.
Good. Hold for about 8 to 10 seconds. Good. Relax. Take it in this way. And again, to a level 6, please. Good. How's that feeling? Good. Let's notice passive stretching or assisted stretching, and it's a good way to warm your clients up before a workout.